I got a story to tell. Where you live, it matters, you can tell. Opportunity knocking, friends you meet. Neighborhood vibes set your beat. Your place, your space, it guides your way. Bright streets, dark streets, shape your day. From the block to the hills, lessons unfold. Success in your hands, let the story be told. Number one, it's the schools that you see. Education power sets your mind free. Number two, the people you know. Connections grow and opportunities flow. Number three, it's the safety around. Peaceful vibes, happiness found. Number four, your access to the town. Jobs and markets keep you sound. Your place, your space, it guides your way. Bright streets, dark streets, shape your day. From the block to the hills, lessons unfold. Success in your hands, let the story be told. Number five, it's the culture you breathe. Creativity blossoms you achieve. Number six, exposure to the green. Nature heals and keeps you keen. Number seven, your own mindset rise. Where you live shapes how high you fly. Your place, your space, it guides your way. Bright streets, dark streets, shape your day. From the block to the hills, lessons unfold. Success in your hands, let the story be told.